The sustainability requirements will drive you for innovation, for implementing new processes, adopting new technologies, introducing new business models, and it would involve a lot of collaboration with your not only suppliers but other external stakeholders like government bodies are there. You have universities which help you in the research part of it. So it will improve a lot of collaboration with your external stakeholders.
We do have a net zero goals which is well laid out, but however we have a we are committed to having a fostering sustainable supply chain through targeted initiative focused on key social and environmental areas. Actually, now we have got we aim to have a very long term positive impact and which is aligned with the company's growth.
Sustainability is very, very important for us, and consistency is required for our longer term perspectives with be it with the suppliers, be it with the transporters. Also, we just check their or the risk associated on their perspectives and what are their mitigation plans.